always find something positive to think about. I think about the Apostle Paul in the Bible, honey. Here, this brother, he got stoned to death. He got stoned to death, and Lystra went to the third heaven. Paul said he went to the third heaven, looked up in there and saw some stuff he couldn't even comment on. It was just so deep, and he was beaten, because he was getting the scripture out, telling people about Jesus. They beat him. They put him in jail. He was shipwrecked. He had a whole lot of negative things happen to him. But you ask yourself the question, well, what caused Paul to be able to withstand all of this negative stuff that he endured in order to get the gospel out for Jesus? Paul said in Philippians, he said, whatever things are lovely, whatever things are true, whatever things are of good report, if there be any virtue, if there be any praise, think on these things. So you look at this brother. He went through a lot of negativity, a ton of negative stuff. Well, what's one of the things that caused him to be able to withstand all the trauma that he experienced? Part of that was because he thought on positive things, whatever things are lovely, whatever things are true, whatever things are good report. If there be any virtue. What's virtue? Moral excellence. If there be any virtue, if there be any praise. Praise of what? Praise of God, praise of Jesus. And he can even praise himself and other people. If there be any virtue, if there be any praise, think on these things.